Hey, welcome everybody, and welcome to today's section of the analysis. And today we will be looking at BNB, and we just had a news that came out for BNB. If we look at it at CoinDesk, it said SEC is investigating Binance. The BNB token should have been registered as a security in its initial coin offering in 2017, according to Bloomberg, and it's on CoinDesk, right? And we can see that that has really affected the price of BNB in the last 24 hours. As we can see, it's really lost a lot. It was ranging from these 295 region to around the 310 region. I mean, there was just a range like that, three from the 320 down to the 297. But as we can see, it just broke a key resistance at that period of time, and it has gone down about 6% on today's. It's lost on the daily, it's lost about almost 9%, right, of its value. As you can see, it's having a bearish divergence. If you've been following our videos, we've been seeing many of the coins, right, that are available now will actually have a lower low, right? So we're expecting BNB to come and test this support, right, to form a double bottom before it goes back up, right? We are expecting higher prices for BNB, right? You can see this can be a wave one, a wave two, and then a wave three, right? And so we're expecting prices upward, not of $1,000, but for BNB for. But for now, what we can see right now is that BNB is actually it's holding pretty well, holding pretty well. We're hoping that it will come to the support at the 242 region if possible, or have a little bit of ish and come down to test back the support at the 230 range, right? And that's what we're looking at for BNB. Right now, we still have negative price action, right? So we're expecting it to still go down, right? As you can see, our indicators even saying it that we have to go down. As you can see, also the MACD is showing a bearish crossover, right? So we're expecting more downward trend for for BNB today, right? And as you can see, even in the 4 hourly, right, it's still downwards, and we're expecting more downwards pressure, right? So we are not at the bottom, and we still have more downward. I still expect BNB to come around the 200 region, right? That's my buy region. I still expect it because that just looks like a very key support around that region. As you can see, we went down to the 220 before we bounced. I think it will come back down to those 220 region, right? So if you didn't have the opportunity to buy in here, this would be another chance for you to buy in here. So that's what I'm really seeing for BNB. As you can see, if we check the EMA ribbons, still below the EMA ribbons. As you can see, it's always been rejected by the EMA ribbons on the daily, right? And so we said we're expecting further downward price action on BNB, even on the 4 hourly, right? On the 4 hourly, is also being rejected by the 4 hourly EMA ribbons, and so we're expecting more downward pressure because of the news, right? So even as you trade the market, as you look at the market, be conscious of the volatility that's going to happen today, right? Be careful. Make sure you don't use too much leverage for some of you that trade uh, uh, leverage tokens or futures, and stay blessed.